In Rob's kitchen, strange things brew. The waffle iron hot, ready to chew. Strawberry cheese and pepper stew. Will it waffle? Let's find out too. Rob's homemade life's the show. Will it waffle? We'll soon know. With bacon bits and marshmallow flow, anything goes on with that waffle glow. Pickles, shrimp, and peanut spread, he tests it all without dread. Cabbage, flowers, coffee, bread, what's next inside that iron bed? Rob's homemade life's the show. Will it waffle? We'll soon know. With chocolate chips and spice combo, his bravery earns him a hero's bow. Rob's homemade life's the show. Will it waffle? We'll soon know. With chocolate chips and spice combo, his bravery earns him a hero's bow. Laughter echoes round the screen. Will it waffle is the theme. So many wonders yet unseen. Rob's on a culinary dream. New dish excitement brings. Ketchup filled with onion rings. Waffle iron full of crazy things. Rob's homemade life's the show. Will it waffle? We'll soon know. With bacon bits and marshmallow flow, anything goes on with that waffle glow. Rob's homemade life's the show. Will it waffle? We'll soon know. With chocolate chips and spice combo, his bravery earns him a hero's bow. Laughter echoes round the screen. Will it waffle is the theme. So many wonders yet unseen. Rob's on a culinary dream.